need best friends. I don't need anybody. Never did.
Go away.
Going away will not answer the question.
What question? Who are you?
I know exactly who I am. The question is, who are you?
I'm nobody, so leave me alone, all right?
Everybody is somebody, even a nobody.
Yeah, I think you're confused.
I am confused. You don't even know who you are.
Oh, and I suppose you do.
I held the son of Mufasa.
You knew my father?
Correction? I know your father.
He died a long time ago.
He's alive. And I can take you to him. Follow me. I will show you.
Whoa, hey.
If you can keep up.
Wait!
Awesome. Follow me. Quickly, come through.
Hey, slow down.
You better hurry.
Hold on, I'm coming.
Come. Your father is waiting. Do you see him?
I don't see anything.
Kuala Selaman. Look closer. You see? He lives in you.
Simba.
Dad?
Simba, you must take your place in the circle of life.
I can't.
You must remember who you are, the one true king.
I'm sorry. I don't know how to be like you.
As king, I was most proud of one thing, having you as my son.
That was a long time ago.
No, Simba. That is forever.
Please, don't leave me again.
I never left you. And never will. Remember who you are. Remember.
And so, I ask again, who are you?
I am Simba, son of Mufasa.